that, we're gonna do one thing. Delete this for the rotation speed, and we don't need this. We need one variable for the speed and one variable for the rotation, and maybe the actual model, 3D model, which we are going to present. Let's say actual model is Model S. We'll start with the Tesla Model S because yeah, obviously because we downloaded the model, and we don't need the home page. We just need this Unity view page. Okay, and that's it. Here we're gonna say background color transparent, elevation 0, center title true, and display the actual model. Perfect. Okay, good. We will continue on the Flutter side later. At first, we have to prepare Unity. If you forked the repository Flutter Unity, in the example folder there is also a Unity project. In this Unity project, you will also have in the project settings, in project version, you can see on what Unity version this is relying. Okay, so let's go ahead and do one thing. We're going to add this project, going to desktop, Flutter Unity, example 2, Unity, and select just this folder. And because I already installed this version, this Unity build, he's going to search for it and select that. If you don't have this Unity build, just go to installs, add, and then you can select the versions you need. So here it says this is recommended because my only project is relying on this Unity build, and therefore it's very user friendly. It will recommend you this, and then you can install it. Okay, and one more thing, make sure your path to your Unity builds is correct. If you're using an external drive like me, make sure your external drive is plugged in. And yeah, that's the basic stuff. Oh yeah, and one thing, we're going to build for Android now, but you can switch when we are opening the project also to iOS builds. But here we're going to select Android, open it, and then alright, perfect. If you open the project, you get 2 scripts and one folder named scenes. Okay, now the first thing that we're going to do, create a structure to our project. We're gonna have a resources folder, and there 3D models, then a material folder, followed by a textures folder, and at last a prefabs folder. At first we can drag and drop the 3D model here you go. Just go ahead and drag and drop the FBX file into Unity. So if you did that, go to textures, back, and import these, but not that, because one thing, if you have a look at this image, it got a white background. We don't need the white background. You have to convert this to a PNG and delete the white background, so we just have the shadow on the bottom. Okay, perfect, very good. Okay, we got the textures. We need to create some materials, but most important, let's have a look how the contents of the Tesla Model S is looking like. Here we got the body, some other parts, and the supports, the windows. Yeah, looks good, perfect. And some default materials which we are going to, yeah, not replace, but yeah, kind of replace. And yeah, perfect. Okay, our model is here. So we're going to do one thing. Just drag and drop your model like this, because if you drag and drop it here, maybe you're putting it here, and then if you have a look, the position is not in the 0 point, and here you get everything centered. Okay, one thing to mention here, as you can see, if you go to game, you can have a look how your 3D model will look like in Flutter. This is because the camera is actually behind the model, but we're going to move the camera. Oh wow, this is a very, very wide view. Field of view. Yeah, 60 was. But which parameter? Oh yeah, that was the right parameter to set. 200 is okay. Let's say 100. 10. Perfect. And then we need to rotate it like this. Perfect. And you can do this. Yes. And be aware of the camera view here on these both sides. You can see here how the camera will look like. Yes, perfect. Great. Yeah. The second thing is the lightning. Also very important. We get here a directional light. It's okay, but you can see the soft shadows appearing. Oh. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Now we can see something. It's getting better. Oh, okay. Perfect. Great. All right. Good. One thing, but the lightning is still looking not that clean. First, let's save the scene as Tesla's scene. It will be saved here. Perfect. We can delete this. We need some more lightning. First things first, we're gonna fix the ugly shape of our car. We need some materials. Let's create one material for the body. The color will be white. That's okay. Rendering mode opaque. And let's go to albedo. And here you can see we need a little bit metallic. Great. Let's try this. Yeah. Now we get some reflections here. There you can see the difference. Perfect. Okay. But one thing is we don't need the yellow lightning. The point lights have to be totally white. And the last one also white. Perfect. And directional light. Yes, perfect. Great. Now let's go ahead and fix the windows. Okay. For the windows, we need a new material. Windows. And here we're gonna have a rendering mode transparent. Here you can control the transparency. Let's do 50%. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, not bad. But yeah, black windows look much better. Okay, that's okay for now. But one thing I have to mention, like you can see, the window is very edgy. If that's the case, in Unity you get the option to go into your model. On the model tab, go to normals, calculate, blend shape, normals calculate, normals mode, area and angle weighted. Prefer smoothing groups and smoothing angle to the maximum. Calculate mixed space, very good, and then apply. Okay, it's a little bit better. Yeah, it's okay. It's not perfect because here you can see the line here, but maybe it's because of the yeah, because it's for free.